Hello my friends. Today I am drawing Pocoyo. Let's draw together. At first I am going to draw Pocoyo. He is wearing a hat. Please try to draw with me. Now I draw Pato next to him. I draw his big eyes. He is wearing a hat. Now I draw Nina. I start with her eyes. She is wearing a funny hat. Let's draw Lula. Finally, I draw Ellie. I start with her body. She seems happy. Let's color together. Cream color, blue color, yellow color, green color, orange color, red color, cream color, green color, brown color, blue color, purple color. It looks so beautiful. See you next video.